Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope that everyone is doing good. And today's video is going to be a very short and simple video where I will show you how you can use white eyeliner correctly to make your eyes look brighter and bigger. So if you want to learn it all, then stay with me till the end of the video. And without further ado, let's get started. So we begin with picking a white eyeliner. Here it is. This is from Essence 04 White Kajal eye pencil, and I'm going to use it because I think it's very pigmented. So let's start. Let me come a bit closer, and you can see how pigmented it is. See, I hope that it works the same on my eye. So let's start. I'll use very little product, as little as possible. Okay, so now we are done with the basic white eyeliner line, but here comes the secret of using the white eyeliner. That is to make the outer part of your eye prominent. So let's do it. Very light hands. Yes. Do that. See? And then that's it. Look how pretty it looks. Just on the outer corner of the eye. And that's it. And that's it. Yeah, so here's the close-up. It has definitely made my eyes look bigger, but there's one secret technique as well that you need to learn, and I'll show you. And that is that you can actually make it much more open if you use it in the inner corner of your eye. It's a bit much on this one, so erase it. Okay, and now you can see that it has become much more open on this side if you compare it with this, but I like this look better than this one because I want that almond shaped look on my eyes better. So you can definitely go ahead with this one as well if you want it, and you can actually use it on the brow bone to like highlight it. Basically use it as a highlighter, and you can actually use it as a primer, so it's up to you. And now for the final touch, let's use the mascara. And for the mascara, I'll be using this old mascara from Maybelline. Okay, a little bit on the lower lashes because it became a little bit white after I used the eyeliner, and I'll use it on the next eye as well. This brings us to the end of our video, and I hope that you've enjoyed it and you have learned it because I've made sure to make this white eyeliner look as easy as possible for you guys out there, especially for beginners. You just have to follow the techniques and the tricks that I've shown you, and the rest is just practice. Yes, practice makes it perfect. And this white eyeliner is really great if you have hooded eyes or inward eyes because it makes the eye look bigger. But people who have almond shaped eyes, they can totally rock this look, and especially if you are bored with the usual brown or black eyeliner, then it's definitely a great way to try something new and different. And it goes really well with nude or soft makeup look. So yeah, do give it a try. And if you'd like to order this eyeliner and all the products that I've used, then you need to go to my website aishawvlogs.com and do read the blog, which I especially write for you guys. And I'll see you next time. Take care of yourself. Love you guys, and ciao. Okay, so this is the first time I am filming this video while sitting. I usually don't use this angle because it is very difficult for me to film. But I wanted to show you guys the close-up of my eye look, and that's the best possible way that I could show. So if you found the video a little bit, then please bear with me because I've done it all for you. And probably I'll try this angle much more just to perfect it. So you need to bear with me more longer than you think. Okay, ciao.